presenting a pre-owned 2013 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a six-speed double-clutch transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 76,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 30 miles per gallon in the city and 42 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.